Elon Musk, the visionary entrepreneur behind companies like Tesla and SpaceX, has indeed had an eventful romantic history. Let's delve into the details of his relationships. Justine Musk and E. Wilson. Elon first met Justine while they were both studying at Queen's University in Ontario, Canada. They married in 2000 and had 6 children together. Unfortunately, their marriage ended in divorce in 2081. Talia Riley. After his divorce from Justine, Elon married English actress Talia Riley in 2010. Their relationship was tumultuous, with divorces and remarriages. Ultimately, they finalized their second divorce in 20,161. Amber Heard. The Tesla CEO was also linked to actress Amber Heard. Their romance was brief, but made headlines. 1. Grimes Claire Boucher, perhaps the most well-known of Elon's romances. He began dating singer Grimes in 2018. The couple shares 2 children together. Interestingly, Elon also fathered twins with Neuralink executive Shivan Zilis in November 2021, just weeks before Grimes gave birth to their second child. Now, a father of 10, Elon humorously quipped that his growing brood could help solve the underpopulation crisis. 1. Elon Musk's love life has certainly been eventful, and his relationships have captured public attention. Whether it's his brilliant mind or his adventurous spirit, there's no denying that Elon's romantic escapades are intriguing.